Hey, stop guessing on what videos you should be making on YouTube. Just come to YouTube Creator AI, come to our topic scout. Let's say you're a sports channel. Click Find Trends, and our topic scout is going to do all of the research for you. It's going to let you know, hey, what's trending right now on YouTube and Google, what are popular sports topics, and it'll give you the 5 ideas that you can do a video about. So this is going to be a popular video. This is going to be a topic that is currently getting a high search volume. There's a lot of people watching this topic, so you can kind of ride the wave of a trending video. So number 1 is going to be the NBA betting scandal. Enhanced Games 2025. This has been a controversial topic. Women's Cricket World Cup. VAR, video assistant referee decisions in football, NBA and sports betting. So this is going to give you 5 trending topics on sports. Let's say you do sports, but you're like, hey, I want my favorite team, or I do videos just on the NBA season preview. So you can put in your custom niche. So let's say you do sports, but you're specifically doing NBA. So you can put in your custom niche here, and it's going to give you 5 ideas specifically to the NBA. So stop guessing and stop wasting time doing research, doing Google searches, trying to find, search videos on YouTube that you can do a similar video about. So here we go, the NBA gambling scandal, Giannis's last stand in Milwaukee, trade rumors and the Bucks' future, the new look Eastern Conference, Clippers legals troubles and championship hopes, and rookie Cooper Flag and the Dallas Mavericks. So these are great five ideas for a YouTube video about the NBA season preview. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI, it's totally free.